Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealers in Fawn and Espresso, and I'm just going to mix those on the back of my hand and yeah, put them all over my eyes. Since we won't be using eyeshadows today, this will kind of just cancel out the darkness and kind of make everything even. Set the concealer with Sacha Buttercup setting powder, just so it doesn't move or crease, all that good stuff throughout the day. How have y'all been? I've been great. Semester's almost over for us college kids. Y'all know that it's like summer is right around the corner, and I can't wait because I'm so tired of these assignments. I think we got like 3 weeks left, y'all. So if you're in college and you know the struggle, you know, we almost out of here, sis. The next thing I'm going to use is the Kiss triple push-up something kind of lashes. Don't judge me. I'll put them in the comment section down, not the comments, the description bar down below in case I butcher it. But these are like $6 at the drugstore, and these lashes are bomb. So I definitely recommend, you know, like, what is mink, sis? Like, we don't have to go and buy mink eyelashes anymore. We can go to the drugstore. But yeah, so then I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion primer. Today I'll be using Miss Fenty, the Fenty Foundation in 440, which is way too dark for me, so I have to mix it with my NYX Pro Foundation mixer in, I think it's olive or tan, one of those. Like I said, check in the description box down below because I'm probably butchering some of this stuff, but yeah. And I'm just going to like pat that into my face. Yeah, this foundation, like, I had it for forever and never used it because obviously it wasn't my shade, but I've really been loving it so far. Like, it just gives you such a flawless face. Like, yes.
Am I recording? You got what you wanted. You got what you wanted, babe. Do you feel like a man now? You feel like a man now? 'Cause I feel
I'm going into the Ulta concealer in Deep Warm. This concealer is lit. And then I'm also going to add the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in medium tan on top of that, just to kind of give me a little bit of brightness.
So I should've known better when you text said I'm everything you need. Shit ain't never really what it seems.
I'm also going to take it down the bridge of my nose and my forehead. I don't highlight my chin because there's two of them and I'm not trying to bring attention to it, okay? So we're just going to act like they don't exist. We don't know them. And I'm going to blend that out with my L'Oreal sponge. We're about to snatch that nose. Yes, you see how the highlight just kind of automatically does a little bit of the work for you. Then I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder again. I'm just going to set my under eye and all the areas that we highlighted. I will be looking crazy. Then I'm going to use my Colourpop Bits and Pieces bronzer. This is a new product for me, and y'all, this is so good, and it shows up on dark skin. Like, I was kind of skeptical when I looked on the website, but I heard a couple people say that this was their like new favorite, and they were darker skin as well, so I definitely wanted to try it out. And it just adds like the perfect amount of warmth to the face. So yes, y'all, this side of my face is so annoying. Like, this is like my bad side. Like, it just never comes out right. Like, this is the stepsister of my face, if that makes sense. Like, yeah. Anyways, then I'm just gonna drag that on the sides of my nose. I'm not doing no heavy contouring today. I just want to be a little bit bronzed, look like I just, you know, spent a whole week on the beach. Then I'm using my other Holy Grail product, which is the Black Radiance Toasted Almond Blush. I'm using that same brush that I used to bronze because I'm lazy and just didn't feel like getting another brush, but also because it just helps it like blend in better. So I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Lucy highlighter and applying that to the high points of my face. So, you know, my cheeks, the nose, forehead, all that good stuff. If you don't, you know, you don't have to highlight all those areas if you don't want to, each is their own, but yeah. Then I'm just going to take a powder brush and just go over all of that so it kind of further blends it out and so that it's not as harsh. Then I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Yeah, this is like one of my favorite products and it's so affordable. And then I'm using the Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray, but it low-key tried to play me. If you can see, it left those little dots on my face, so I went ahead and took my L'Oreal sponge and I just dabbed over a little bit while it was still wet, so everything was good after that. But yeah, the Hard Candy be trying to play me in these streets, like I can't take it. Then the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. This is the waterproof version, and I'm just going to coat my lower lashes with that just to kind of, you know, make them stand out a little or whatever. Then I'm taking my MAC Chestnut lip pencil. I'm just going to outline my lips. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop Luxe lipstick in Appy. It's a weird name, but we're going to roll with it. I'm just going to put that in the center, you know, kind of mash my lips together, try to get it to blend out a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home lip gloss, which is popping, by the way. And I'm just going to put that on top of that. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend everything together so it's not like harsh. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. This is like my go-to look when I don't have a lot of time or where I just want something on my face to make me look put together, but I'm not really like, you know, doing the whole eyeshadow thing. This is what I do. The products will be listed down in the description box down below. So thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I do have a vlog that I'm editing. It was from spring break. Me and my best friend went to New Orleans for a week, so that vlog will be up pretty soon on my channel. So yes, thank you guys for rocking with me. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. Welcome to the fam, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.